Sometimes I feel like it's very inconvenient to use laptop to process POS orders. Is there any easier way? Of course. BigSeller supports to create and process POS orders with your mobile phone, iPad, or any POS terminals. And if your device is in landscape orientation, BigSeller will auto-adapt and display in landscape mode. Let's see how it works. First of all, you need to finish your authorization. After that, you can go to POS order page. Fill in sales information. Select customer. Here you can manually select or scan SKU. Select payment method. Click this setting. You can enable your product price with tax. And if you open Offer Delivery Services here, this order will move to New Orders list, or it will directly to the completed list. Then you can click Settlement. You also can directly print POS receipt. You also can connect your printer. Go Setting and find Hardware. Here you can add and connect your printer. If you enable Quick Print, the receipt will print auto after clicking Settlement. Also, if you want a clear overview of your sales data, you can use Business Statement function. Complete your printing settings. Select time period and close and print your bills. All these are very simple and convenient, right?
Try it now.
If you have any questions, please contact us.